one night under the moon so big and bright. Can the moon learn how to sway? What do you think? Shout and say yes! Should the penguin dance real slow, or should he spin and twirl like snow? Twirl! If the moon could dance with him, would it wiggle? Would it grin? Yes! Dance, dance, penguin dance. Show the moon your happy prance. Step by step and clap along. Penguins teaching with a song. Hey, penguins teaching with a song. Should the penguin hop 1, 2, 3, or slide across the icy sea? Slide! Should the moon jump high or low? Tell me, friends, what do you know? High! Who can stomp their feet with me? 1, 2, 3, let's try, you see. Hey, stomp, stomp, stomp! Should the moon spin round or stay? Shout it out, what do you say? Spin round! Who can stomp their feet with me? 1, 2, 3, let's try, you see. Stomp, stomp, stomp! Should the moon spin round or stay? Shout it out, what do you say? Spin round! Can we count the steps they take? 1, 2, 3, 4, don't mistake. Should we cheer the moon some more? Clap your hands and shout encore. Encore! Penguin blows, the moon sways too. All because of kids like you. Did the moon learn how to dance? Yes, it twirled with penguins prance. Yes! Dance, dance, penguin dance. Moon and penguin, what a chance. Thank you, friends, for helping too. The moon can dance because of you. Good night, moon.